Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the Vauxhall Corsa E. We've got quite a big update in terms of the windscreen that was done in the last week. Last week. I've just got a couple of new parts that have come in the post that it's taken me quite a while to find, as I couldn't get the part number as the brackets were snapped, and I couldn't figure out what the part was called, but that's on order and that's coming hopefully tomorrow, so this will be like a 2-day video kind of thing. We're just going to start installing the parts that I've got, and I'll show you around the car and what we've managed to do in the last week or so. So let's get into it. And it took them about an hour. I've got some footage that my sister actually took. She took it in portrait, so it's gonna come up a little funky on the screen, but I'll put that in the video now, and I'll put possibly a comparison to what we had beforehand. But yeah, I'm really happy with the work that they've done. I've just got I've got it's like a gutter piece, and it was actually cracked, so I've got that on the way, and I couldn't figure out what it was called. Yeah, we've got brand new windscreen in there now. Pass MOT straight away with that. Couldn't even thought of taking it through an MOT with the other windscreen that we had in there. But yeah, we'll move on to the parts that I've got. So the main piece I've got right now is the airbox that turns out the Vauxhall Corsa D and the Vauxhall Corsa E share basically some of the same parts. So the airbox is the same. Like I mentioned in a previous video, I used the hinges for the bonnet. The windscreen is the same. There's a lot of parts that are just shared throughout the models, I think, just to save costs where they can. But we'll install that now. We've got a fuse box cover, just because I don't know what happened to the last one, but it broke or yeah, got binned. I'm not sure how, because I've got every part basically that I've taken off by there. And we've also got an air filter for the new Airbox. It goes hand in hand. I think there's an air filter in there already, but I'm just going to replace it whilst we're here. And that's what I've got right now. In the next couple of clips you'll see what I've got, but today this is what I've got. It's currently Sunday, so hopefully we'll have them tomorrow in the post. So I'll just install these, I guess. So this is the airbox that I bought. Just realised that this stub is actually broken, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the bottom half that I've already just taken out, and I'm gonna just use the top plastic bit, and I'll message the I'll check the eBay, see if it actually was like this in the picture, because I'm not sure how that's happened. Airbox cover, which isn't really much of an install, I don't think. No, it's that way. And that's that. This, we've actually got that coming hopefully tomorrow as well. This part, which took me ages to get, this just sits in the windscreen on the left hand side of this car. I ordered this bracket, which I didn't have. Came in 3 pieces, so I don't know what to say about that, but I've got my glue gun and my soldering iron set up, and I'm just gonna give it a quick fix because it needs to actually slot into the battery bracket. So it just mounts in. Hopefully that should hold. It slides in just with this little part there, so we'll see how far we get now. I'm not that confident that this is gonna keep it together, but I hope this glue gun does it. First time using this glue gun. It's only a cheap one I bought just in case I needed it for anything, but we'll see the results in a couple. I ordered this from eBay a couple of weeks ago, and it came split down the middle. And what I'm going to try and do is, once again, come from the back and try and glue up the seam, as that won't be on show on the back, and hopefully with enough pressure you won't be able to see, well, with the naked eye, behind, and if I can get it strong enough to keep the crack together, we might not have to buy another part, so we'll give this a go while we're here. So I'm not really happy with the way this turned out. This still is a bit of a crack in the middle. I'm just hoping when I put it in, it seals it up a bit better, and hopefully we won't be able to see it. If I put it in there and I'm not happy, I will replace the part. But I think it should be alright. You cannot tell if you put the pressure on it, so I'm going to try and seat it as tight as possible. This is the ECU bracket, so I'm actually impressed with the rigidity of the hot glue. Even this small piece down here, it didn't even have much to attach to, and it's actually quite strong, so that I'm really pleased with. And I've installed a metal bracket. I don't know what it really does, but I think it just protects it from any sort of damage, I don't know, metal plate. But we're gonna put this in the car, plug it all in. I think job's a good one. So as you saw then, I was just fiddling around with this part here. As you can see there's a seam, like you can see it, quite a glossy seam that I had to slide this under. It was quite tricky. I used fairy liquid and just a blade to try and get it in there, and we finally got it in there, and it just pops in place there. I was just using the other side as a reference, so I gave it a clean up on the other side. That's good. So got that part in now. I'll have to use some touch-up paint for there. Next part now, I just gotta figure out how this scuttle panel and the motor works, as it was probably about a year ago now since I removed it. But we've actually got the ECU in here now, nice and sound. That's good. So we're just gonna see how far we get with this now. I actually had this wire on the other side of this, so I need to unbolt it quickly. I didn't take off the arm originally, so I had to take that arm off, but it's all off now. This is ready to go on. See how this matches up. Oh, and I've put some fairy liquid along here just so it presses into this new seal quite easily, because everything's proven to be a bit tight around the windscreen. Obviously it needs to be waterproof, so wish me luck. So what you probably saw if you were watching me just in that time lapse, figuring out which arm went where, because I couldn't figure out for the life of me, but I think I figured it out, and we don't have any overlapping, and it makes kind of sense that they kind of go together like that. So that's how we're gonna bolt them in. Hopefully they work all right. But it rained last night and the guttering actually worked quite nicely, so we just gotta put this together, make sure this is all tucked up nicely, and we should be pretty sound in terms of the scuttle panel and the window wipers. I'll just bolt them down now and make sure they work. We should be golden. Actually managed to get windscreen in and our windscreen wipers. I don't know why, but it's actually made me quite happy seeing them go like that. Fair play. I'm so glad that windscreen's done. It's changed the entire car. It doesn't even look like it's been in a crash anymore. I think that's what I enjoy most about these builds, is the point where there's no damaged parts on it and actually starts looking like a car again. But very pleased with that. The motor's going alright, no weird noises, and meets you right where it needs to go. So bring on the rain, I see. Just to tie off this scuttle area is this seal, so we're gonna seal it up, make the engine bay waterproof. Still need to line up the bonnet, because we just fitted the new wing over there. This is a new bonnet, and we gotta get the bumper lined up with the headlights, so we still have got a little ways to go in terms of being completely waterproof and body lines looking alright. But we're just gonna install this quickly. I've got some car mats. I know that's not a real update, but I'll fit the car mats, see how they look, just because I don't want to get my dusty feet over the car any more than I have to. And we can start tying up this front end, because looks like we're almost done here, guys. In, and that's routed properly now. I flipped that bracket round, as you can see, just on the battery, Now I'm going to fill up the water, and I'm going to see if my piping's alright on the I don't know why I'm recording me filling up though. We'll see if my wipers work, because I've got wipers now. Without the actual bonnet connected to the line, but this should work now. There we are. Work alright. Not amazing, but they're a bit dodgy, aren't they? Maybe I think the rubber's just may have a look at them. But yeah, we've got working water and we've got working wipers. Top tip, if you're ever doing a build like me, always have a tub of, if you ever have bolts left over at the end of the day, have a tub like this, because you'll find exactly what you're looking for. You're like, where did I put that? Or I need this, or because I lost these caps. I should have put them in the bag together, but I knew they were for something, and I lost this retaining clip and it was in that box. So obviously I should have been a bit smarter and put them all in the same sort of bag, but I think I went past the point of bagging things when I got to stuff like this. And yeah, now I've got some leftover bolts, but I'm just going around looking at what needs bolts. And yeah, stuff like these foam things, like a year ago when I started the build, I wouldn't have a clue where that went. But when you get to the end of these builds, you need every little nut and bolt just to pass the MOT, and obviously to bring it back to OEM. So top tip. Messy and as stupid as it looks, this has saved me. Even I've got doubles of things and I've got shit basically, but this will help you. Obviously that metal, but just seeing how that works, I can kind of look at you can kind of just use everything that you have used to kind of, even this, I should have been this, but you never know, you might need some sort of clip or anything off it. I've kept everything apart from like bonnets and stuff. I've emptied all the clips off of them and they were just taking too much room in here. But yeah, another top tip. Right guys, I'm going to have to end this video here as I don't have the correct coolant. I'm using red and it's supposed to be orange, I believe. So we're going to wrap up this video here. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you've come all this way through the video, please smash the like button. Please subscribe if you're new, and follow me on Instagram. I'll put a little something so you can get the background updates as I go along with these projects. And yeah, thank you very much. Peace.